Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about something we all do. Overthinking. What is overthinking? Many people think too much. They think about the past, they think about the future, they think about mistakes. It is very common. They think about what if. Do you think this is a good thing? If this sounds like you, listen carefully. Overthinking makes us tired. It steals our energy. It steals our peace, or it steals our peace. You think again and again, but nothing changes. Think about it. Let me tell you something simple. I will tell you something very simple. Thinking is not as the same as solving. Sometimes thinking more does not help. Sometimes it hurts. For example, you want to speak English. You think, my English is not good. I will make a mistake. I will sound stupid. So you stay silent because you think you're stupid. But silence does not help you grow. This is something you have to bear in mind. Actions help you grow. Being silent will not help you grow. Let me say this clearly. You don't need confidence to start. You start to build confidence. Again, you do not need confidence to start. You start and then you build confidence. Small action is better than perfect thinking. Say one sentence, make one mistake, learn one word. Sometimes we open dictionary and we learn one word. That is enough. Another important thing that you have to bear in mind. Most people are not watching you. They are busy. Keep that in mind. They're busy with their own thoughts. People are selfish. They are not always thinking about you. They are busy with their own problems. So stop being hard on yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to your language. You're learning, you're improving, and if it is slow, it is slow. And even if it is slow, it is still progress. Here is a simple rule you can use today. I will help you with it. Let's think about it. If you think for more than 10 seconds, act. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. You have to start now. Send the message, speak the sentence, and let's think about it that way. Start the task. Starting the task will help you get it started. Life becomes lighter when you stop thinking and start doing. You don't need to control everything. I heard once a professor told me, do the language. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to move forward. Slowly, calmly, honestly. Remember this. And this is very important. Remember it. Peace sometimes is better than perfection. Keep that in mind. Progress is better than fear. Thank you for listening to my podcast today. Take a breath, take one small step, and then what shall we do? I'll see you in the next episode of this podcast, inshallah. Have a wonderful day or evening, and see you next. مدرب لغة دكتور وليد خالد.